Hello everyone, welcome to a new weekly market analysis for the 16th August 2021. This is the trading disclaimer. You can pause the video and read it at any time. Okay, first one on the list, dollar index. We have very unclear scenario. We have all time frames out of alignment, including the daily. So we have monthly demand in control, too low in the range, longs, weekly supply in control, too high, shorts, daily supply in control, too high. So not touching this one, it could go anywhere. So euro dollar, same thing. Too high in the monthly, too low in the weekly. So what to do? Waiting for a clear scenario. Longs only if this obstacle is out of the way. On the Aussie dollar, we have monthly uptrend, monthly demand almost in control, weekly demand in control, but a weak area of demand on the daily, doing nothing. On the Aussie yen, we have the 3 months losing steam, but we also have the monthly demand level in control, longs and need levels of demand. We have a new one here in control, but it scores low. On CAD yen, monthly and uptrend, it could drop to the monthly, but now it has reached the weekly demand level and it created a brand new level of demand on the daily. It's been tested, we need new demand. On the euro yen, the 3 months losing steam, weekly out of alignment, longs lower at the monthly demand level, tested level of demand used up, no longs possible. On the pound dollar, we have price too high in the monthly range, and now the weekly is out of alignment with a brand new area of demand, poor area of demand. So again, look what's going on in the 3 months. It's been doing nothing for almost 9 months. On the pound yen, 3 months losing steam with monthly supply in control. We have daily supply in control, no longs are allowed. On the pound kiwi, we have an aggressive area of demand on the daily, penetrated further this week. As I explained in the previous analysis, if you were long on this one, which is aggressive, you should manage your stop loss to avoid a loss. So you should be out of this one already. Kiwi dollar. We have monthly and uptrend trying to reach the monthly demand level, but not possible. It's dropping because we have monthly and weekly supply zones in control together with the 3 months. On the dollar CAD, we have monthly demand in control, 3 months demand in control, brand new average demand on the weekly, but no retracement. On the dollar yen, we have monthly and weekly supply zones in control, short and EF supply on the daily. We've got one over there in control. Only shorts are possible. Now Brent. On Brent, we have the weekly demand in control and a brand new level of demand on the daily trying to play out. This is an aggressive type of trade because we have the monthly supply in control, so manage it accordingly. On gold, as expected, that poor area of demand has been eliminated. We have a daily downtrend. Look at the reaction to that weekly and monthly demand level. That's very, very strong. So going short there, not possible. Remember that we have monthly and weekly demand levels in control, no longs. Natural gas got out of alignment on daily. We need weekly demand levels or monthly. S&P breaking all-time highs, new levels of demand being created. Nasdaq all-time highs, new demand levels being created and in control. On DAX, as suspected, all-time highs and supplies being eliminated. Brand new average on the daily, on long bias. On Nifty 50, new demand levels on the weekly and the daily. On Shanghai Composite, it didn't reach the monthly demand level. Now it is within this poor area of supply on the weekly. Doing nothing. Bitcoin, some cryptos, long bias, new average demand on the weekly and on the daily. Ada Cardano, you broke that area just before the after I completed the analysis. New average demand is being created at the end of today. So we have weekly demand in control, expecting all-time highs to be eliminated. Long bias. It looks like that pink candle is going to be out of the way anytime soon. On Pancake, demand in control playing out. Longs and EF demand, expecting the elimination of this poor area of supply. Polkadot, We have brand new area of demand on the daily in control without retracing to this strong area of demand on the monthly. New area of demand on the weekly, long bias. Ethereum, new area of demand on the weekly with weekly demand in control, longs and EF's demand on XRP, expecting this poor tested used up area of supply to be eliminated, new area of demand over here probably, long bias with weekly demand level in control. Now some stocks. American Airlines, no longs possible because we have weekly supply in control and monthly supply almost in control. Apple, expecting all-time highs to be broken with this bullish price action without retracing to these levels. AB, we have a unclear scenario here because we have this pink candle, monthly supply in control, and the weekly brand new average demand on the weekly poor, new average demand here aggressive as explained previous analysis, took control and then rallying. And clear. AMAT, long bias because we have weekly demand in control, all-time highs, and a brand new average demand on daily, even though the daily is out of alignment right now. So we have supply right at the top, so we need weekly demand levels, which is lower. AMD, no retracement to these levels of demand, all-time highs broken, long bias. APD, trying to reach this weekly average demand in an uptrend. Activision Blizzard, it reached that weekly area, monthly average demand, so longs are possible only. American Express, weekly demand in control, daily demand has been tested. We need new demand levels, long bias. On Boeing, well, everything is out of alignment, so doing nothing on this one for now, even though we have this area of demand in control. We need new areas of demand. It's unclear. Expecting price to reach all the way up. We need strong demand levels anyway. And Alibaba, we have monthly and 3-month demand levels in control by bearish price action, waiting for new levels of demand. That's not happening. Bank of America, new average demand on the weekly without retracing to the monthly, long bias. British Petroleum, unclear scenario with the monthly price action really bad and the weekly out of alignment. Berkshire Hathaway, weekly demand in control, responsible for breaking all-time highs, longs and new demand levels. Blackstone Incorporation, new average demand on the weekly, getting overextended. Caterpillar, we have the weekly area of demand in control without retracing to the monthly, longs and new demand levels. I'm going to delete these two. Long bias. Comcast, weekly demand in control, longs and new demand, long bias. Costco, overextending on the daily, we need weekly or monthly. CRM, we have these two levels called a few weeks ago, playing out nicely. This daily of demand played out nicely. Longs and EF's demand. On Cisco, expecting the elimination of this area of supply on the weekly, aggressive longs. Expecting the elimination of the 3 months as well. Dell, weekly out of alignment, longs and monthly demand levels. Disney, weekly demand level, monthly bullish impulse unable to consolidate away. Strong rally yesterday, but look at the bearish ERC candle, waiting. eBay breaking all-time highs. New area of demand could be created next Monday with the support of area of demand on the weekly. Strong bullish impulse. Ford trying to reach the weekly. Facebook, weekly demand in control, no retracement to the daily, long bias. Federal Express, weekly is out of alignment, trying to reach the monthly area of demand over there. Gas, weekly out of alignment, monthly out of alignment, we need a bigger retracement or new strong demand levels on the weekly. GIS, General Mills, almost retraced to this weekly area of demand, expecting elimination of that area of supply, long bias. On Barrick Gold, we have tested area of demand on the monthly. We need new areas of demand on the weekly or the daily, and that's not happening. Goldman Sachs broke all-time highs, new demand levels on the weekly and the daily, long bias. Home Depot didn't retrace to these levels, long bias. Intel trying to reach the weekly and monthly demand levels, right now doing nothing. Johnson & Johnson broke all-time highs, new area demand being created on the daily. JP Morgan expecting elimination of that weekly area supply. The weekly is out of alignment, logs at the monthly or new strong demand levels. Coca-Cola, attacking that area of supply, expecting its elimination, with all these levels of demand playing out on the weekly. MasterCard weak tested used up area of demand on the weekly, waiting for new strong levels of demand, but instead we are having new levels of supply being created, doing nothing. On McDonald's, weekly demand took control, long bias after breaking all-time highs. Mosaic, weekly out of alignment, monthly demand in control, longs and levels of demand. Moderna, it has created a poor area of demand on the weekly, confirmation needed, or a bigger retracement to the monthly. Morgan Stanley broke all-time highs, new levels of demand have been created, long bias on this one as well. Microsoft breaking all-time highs again, potentially creating new area of demand on the daily over there. Netflix trying to reach the weekly demand level, aggressive trade. Nike, it did not retrace to the strong area of demand. We've got another one over here on the weekly, another area of demand on daily, poor, long bias. Nvidia, weekly demand is in control, longs and EF's demand. Oracle broke all-time highs again, no retracement to this weekly area of demand as it did to the others. Pfizer broke all-time highs, strong demand level on the weekly. We also have a new one here being created on the monthly at the end of August. It will be confirmed, long bias. Philip Morris trying to break all-time, not on highs, sorry, the weekly highs and trying to eliminate that area of supply. It's attacking it. This doing nothing. All the aggressive longs are possible. It could have been good, that one over there, but no retracement. On PayPal, expecting price to rally. All-time highs broken. We have the weekly bearish price action, but it could rally at any time. Qualcomm, weekly demand almost in control. Strong every demand pension last week to control and trying to play out. Starbucks, we have weekly in an uptrend, monthly in an uptrend, strong every demand to control for longs. Spirit Aerosystems, weekly demand in control, tested already, longs if new areas demand are created. We had this one over there, being tested already. This is an aggressive trade, doing nothing. Twilio, very bad price action on the weekly with monthly demand level. No new levels of demand have been created, so nothing. Under Armour, strong demand level here and here on the weekly, aggressive against that monthly supply level, but with the support of bigger time frames. Uber, trying to reach the monthly and the weekly, not there yet. Visa, weekly out of alignment, poor area of demand has been eliminated. Longs if new strong demand levels are created. Walgreens, weekly out of alignment with monthly supply and control, 3 month supply and control, doing nothing. Western Digital, WDC, trying to reach the monthly and the weekly demand levels with the support of bigger time frame demand levels. So waiting. Walmart, new level of demand on the weekly with an uptrend expecting all-time highs to be broken. ExxonMobil, weekly out of alignment, very high in the monthly and the 3 months, doing nothing. Zoom Communications, tested area of demand on the weekly. This area demand is not strong enough. It could retrace all the way down. Waiting. Longs if new levels are created. And I believe that's everything for this week. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. Be happy. Stay safe. Bye-bye.